Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys an easy recipe of blackened salmon. It's so easy, you guys, and it tastes really good. So if you want to see it, keep on watching. Also, if you are new here, please hit the thumbs up button. Please subscribe. Without further ado, let's make it. Now we're going to start by mixing up our seasoning all together. Now I do have the measurement down below. Please check that out. All the measurement and the name of the seasoning will be down below, so check it out. Just mix that all together. Once you have that mixed well together, we're going to move on to the salmon. I clean it with a little bit of vinegar and lime and just rinse it out. Now I am going to use a napkin to pat dry the salmon because you want it to be nice and dry. You don't want any excess water on the salmon or moisture. Once it is nice and dry, we're going to add a little bit of butter on there. You can use oil as well, but I am using room temperature butter. Now it's time for me to add the seasoning. Now make sure when you're adding your seasoning on there, make sure you pack the seasoning on there, okay? Do not sprinkle a little bit of seasoning. Make sure you add as much seasoning as possible and then pat it down so the seasoning can stick to the butter, okay? And be sure to season the sides as well because you want all of the salmon to be nice and tasty. Now I am going to flip it over. This is optional in my opinion. You do not have to season the back, but I am going to sprinkle a little bit. Now in the skillet, I added about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then we're going to add our salmon to it. I am cooking it on medium-high heat because you want it to be nice and hot, and then place your salmon on their skin down. We're going to cook it 5 minutes per side, okay? Then flip it over. Once that side is nice and blackened, I am going to flip it over so we can cook the other side for an extra 5 minutes. Once your 5 minutes is up, it should be nice and golden brown on both sides. And basically, this is how you make blackened salmon. It's so easy, you guys. If you're going to try this recipe, let me know down below. If you tried it, you like it, don't forget to come back to this video and leave your comment. Thank you for watching, guys. Be sure you guys subscribe please if you're new. I will definitely appreciate it. And also comment down below any suggestion or any comment, any questions that you have. Leave it down below, and I will see you guys very soon or tomorrow in another video. Thank you. Bye.